In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark emails as unread. We've all been there. You might have accidentally clicked on an email and realized you aren't ready to deal with it just yet. Maybe it's something you need to respond to later, or perhaps it requires a bit more thought. Whatever the reason, marking that email as unread can act as a helpful reminder to revisit it. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to make this happen. Let's start by opening your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll notice that your emails fall into two categories, read and unread. The unread emails are easily identifiable by their prominent bold black font, whereas the read emails appear grayed out. It's a subtle but handy visual cue provided by Gmail to help you distinguish between the two at a glance. Now, find the email you'd like to mark as unread. This is especially useful if, after having read the email, you suddenly realize you need to revisit it later. Hover your mouse over the email in question. You'll notice that when you hover, a few options will appear on the right-hand side of the email listing. Once you've found the email and are hovering over it, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will pull up a list of options in a pop-up menu. Look carefully through these options and you'll see one that says, Mark as Unread. Go ahead and click on Mark as Unread. Doing so will instantly change the appearance of that email, switching the font back to the bold black style you associate with unread emails. This visual change confirms that you have successfully marked the email as unread. In essence, what you're doing is telling your Gmail that you want this email to be treated as if you haven't opened it yet. It will now serve as a visual reminder every time you log into your account and scan through your inbox. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to manage your emails more effectively. By marking emails as unread, you have a convenient way of keeping track of which emails still need your attention, allowing you to prioritize your responses accordingly. Remember, these steps can save you a lot of hassles, especially in a busy work environment where emails are constantly coming in. Implementing this small habit can have huge benefits for your email management routine. So next time you open an email and decide you're not ready to handle it, don't forget to mark it as unread. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your email organizing skills with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.